Welcome to another episode of Nature's Wonders. Today we explore the world of salamanders. Have you ever wondered what these intriguing creatures eat? Salamanders are often mistaken for being herbivores, but in reality they are obligate carnivores. Their diet mainly consists of insects, worms, and other small invertebrates. Some larger species of salamanders even prey on small fish and amphibians. Salamanders use their sticky tongues to catch their prey with remarkable speed and precision. In captivity, salamanders are often fed a diet of crickets, mealworms, and other commercially available insects to mimic their natural diet. So while they may look gentle and harmless, salamanders are skilled hunters in their own right. Next time you see one, you'll know just what they're capable of. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of salamanders. Stay tuned for more episodes exploring the diversity of nature.